How to fix Huawei Nova 13 mobile data is slow. So let's start the video. First of all, turn on or off your airplane mode. Now swipe down to your control center and here you can see the option airplane mode. Now here you can turn on or off your airplane mode. After turning on or off your airplane mode, then check your network connection will be worked properly or not. After checking your network connection, then reinsert your SIM card. And after inserting your SIM card, then restart your device. For restart your device, press and hold power button. And then click on restart. After restart your device, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.